So, a couple of things with when we have a member that's not losing weight or they feel like they're not losing weight fast enough, a couple of things that we draw attention to, or the main two things we draw attention to are you following the program recipes? Whether it's the 21-day reset, the life-changing cooking program, or the success program. Those recipes are created to help improve your satiety, which can help promote that steady weight loss that you're looking for. So if you're maybe you're building meals and you feel like they're healthy, take a look at what you're building versus maybe a similar recipe that we have. How do the quantities match up? You can make a great stir fry, but when you're looking at it, if you were to separate things out in your stir fry, is over half of your stir fry vegetables? Are you adding some whole grains? Have you added, is there some fat? Is there some protein in there? So following the recipes. The next thing is, are you listening to your body? Are you eating for nourishment and satisfaction? Are you eating when you're hungry, stopping when you're full? A lot of different things build into that whole factor of weight loss. But when you really focus on what you're eating and how your body's feeling, so in essence, how much you're eating, those two things together can help with that weight loss. If you're feeling hungry at midday, Barb, then maybe breakfast isn't quite nourishing and satisfying enough for you. And everybody's different. The amounts everybody eats are different. The recipes everyone chooses are different. So look at that breakfast recipe. And you're saying midday. So is that before lunch? Is that after lunch? Think of the meal or the snack that you're having before that time that you're always feeling hungry, and try to figure out one way where you can add some nourishment and satisfaction to that. Quickest and easiest thing to do oftentimes is to eat just a little bit more of that meal, or you can add some fiber, some fat, or some protein to the meal. So for instance, let's say you're doing the egg muffins in the morning, so the eggs with a little bit of cheese, maybe there's some vegetable in there, and you're just doing those egg muffins. There's protein, there's fat, and there's fiber in there, but maybe there's not enough fiber for you, so there's not enough lasting power. So maybe having a piece of some great hearty toast with that, or after you heat them up, if you're eating at home, serving them over a small bed of greens or a small bed of quinoa. There are many different ways that you can add some more sustenance to that, some more fiber to that, to help give you that staying power and help you feel full. Because really that feeling satiated is going to be that key that's going to help with the weight loss.